Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use two Steam accounts on the same computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, here's something important you need to know. You can actually use two or more Steam accounts on the same computer, but there's a catch. Only one account can be logged into the Steam client at a time. This means you can't run multiple Steam accounts simultaneously on the same machine. However, there's a simple solution for this, and that's the Switch Accounts feature. This allows you to easily toggle between different Steam accounts without having to completely log out and restart the application each time. It's a much faster and more convenient way to manage multiple profiles on one computer. To get started with switching accounts, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Change Account. This is the feature that lets you switch between your different Steam profiles quickly. After selecting Change Account, a confirmation window will appear. Click Continue to proceed with the account switch. This confirms that you want to log out of your current account and switch to a different one. Now, you'll need to wait for a few seconds while Steam closes and relaunches itself. During this time, the application is preparing to display the account selection screen. This process is usually quick, but give it a moment to complete the transition. The Steam client will reopen automatically once it's ready. Once Steam relaunches, you'll see the account selection screen. Here you'll notice a plus button. Click on this button to add a new account to your computer. This is where you'll enter the credentials for your second Steam account that you want to use on this same machine. In the username field that appears, enter the username for your second Steam account. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any login errors. Next, enter your password in the password field below. Again, ensure that you're entering the correct password associated with this particular Steam account. Finally, click Sign In to complete the process. Steam will now log you into your second account and you're all set. You've successfully added and switched to another Steam account on the same computer. Whenever you want to switch between accounts in the future, just repeat this process by going to Steam, then Change Account, and selecting the profile you want to use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.